Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you program your Volkswagen Tiguan's garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Find the 3 home link buttons on your overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons together. Keep holding them until the indicator light flashes quickly, then release. This simple step ensures a fresh start for your new programming. Now, let's program a standard garage door opener. Hold your original remote 6 to 12 inches from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the remote's open button. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Once it flashes quickly, you can release both buttons. For rolling code systems, there's an extra step. Go to your garage door opener motor and find the Learn or Smart button. Press and release it quickly. You have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Return to your Tiguan and firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. Your garage door should now activate, indicating successful setup. Finally, let's test your new programming. Press the home link button you just set up. Your garage door should open or close. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. Make sure your original remote has fresh batteries. For any persistent issues, Home Link support or your Volkswagen dealer can provide further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.